me remind you some of your feelings to Becky. So why you say pan life? Me never go pan life go talk some of your feelings to me ex. First thing me can't call me ex name pan life.
You have feelings for Becky same way and you are going to go through so much film flap you.
Fi flap me pan the media. Upon the media and say it, you know, best later can make a boy then no blood clot in the night time run a surgery. Best because me I get up back in my feelings in time remember that and that make me vex the most.
Many mouth sleep.
Your mouth couldn't sleep best if you say that day. Your mouth cannot sleep if you say that day. Your mouth sleep cannot sleep if you say that day pan alive. And me first the team saying up me have feelings. Yesterday we were talking because me actually come up to my man bestie. Me you don't know that they say me come up to the boy. Remember, say me you been talking about that for August, me you talk to me I come up to the boy bestie because he say me he not come back. So either me I go come up to him or what. But me I end up get into tingle and me I get into tingle. Me tell you say me I feelings see me. The round here yesterday the boy I text on my phone, and yesterday the boy I called on my phone. Me even in the car with other person and the boy I called on my phone twice and him bestie and me I try to ignore the boy.
Yeah.
And me I try to ignore the boy bestie, but me ignore boy, I put the attention for you, bestie. So all if you do, I just you understand me? I say bestie, so me tell you say bad too bad. Me still got feelings in because me ignoring bestie because I him make me come a foreign. It's like so yeah, something ever happened to your bestie where he push you to be the person where you be. So I him make me come a foreign.
Yeah.
I him me come a foreign too. Me come a foreign to him. So yeah, me know bestie. When me come a foreign now. Me say alright then, when me end up reach to this youth, you know. And me say right then, you know, me still me not telling you, I know me have feelings to me ex, but me don't want to go into the same judgment Jamaica me used to go through. If you know man I go chop me in my head, if you know man I go beat me, if you know man I create judgment, anxiety. I Mr. Watch the comment section, a man problem I give you about ya.
Yeah.
If you know man I go give me no judgment, best if you know man I go give me no problem. So me say right, yo, me can't go bother deal with you. They make him go suck up more. Me can't manage him, make him stand quiet over New Jersey and me turn New York. Me can't even give me I just make him go trust you and know part me there. Cause me and him catch up sometime I tell me saying we shoot.
Yeah, that no make no sense.
So me know I say bestie. Me I work with that now, bestie, and me I say, alright then. Me I go work with this youth, yeah. Bestie me know, jumping at the arts I love. So me say me still have feelings for him, you know. But me I go have feelings for him, bestie. Me and him could go through so much hills of valley, bestie, for me I look up at me and me not have feelings for him. So you know, say you have feelings for Becky. Me never had no problem because I me first say it. Because you went to bestie.
It's to be okay with you telling me about feelings with your ex. So what is it if I talk about my feelings with my ex? I'm not playing the victim. You guys look on stuff only one way.
Him not fi say so. You are going through too much for him already. And no matter what you say, him still don't feel.
Bestie, me you that go fling beer brimstone or blood clot, bestie. Bestie, me I say, yeah, Pisces people fall in love quick for you. So me I say, alright then bestie, me I say, Jesus Christ, you are no bestie. If me first say, me love my ex, but I know upon the life, and the life when go say it, see pebbles over here, pebbles it over there. And the life when go get up and say, you have feelings for your ex. Me never have no, bestie, me never have no problem with the feelings when you say have, you know. It's only because you can still, cause bestie, we do a man now still have feelings for your ex, bestie. Anybody can have feelings for anybody. But it's just that the platform where you go say it pan after everybody knows that Tikki love you. I think you would do anything for you have feelings for your ex. I say it pan alive.
So did he come and apologize about that when he say about Becky?
He not apologize to me because yesterday me tell him say me have feelings for me ex when me and him a talk good. Yeah, me I remember by the time when we used to share bestie, me and my ex go through whole it bestie hills of valley. My mother lock me out, my mother throw me out. My ex said to me say, you know have no if you sleep, me I go sleep on my grandmother and my grandfather grave. And my ex lie down on him grandfather grave and sleep, and me lie down on him grandmother grave and sleep with 2 sheets. A graveyard we sleep in a bestie. Me and him go through a lot. Remember a pig pen when he told we are sleeping a bestie, me and him a come for we a look picking for me a 10-year-old. And he come America bestie and me did love him, but bestie me still cannot do these things that me used to do with him. So me now go run come America to him bestie because see what a judgment bestie a disaster. Me tell you say it's a vicious judgmental batty man. He under the quiet bestie, you know, come out and he's sneaking, but he's a judgmental.
Yeah, which me understand.
So somebody say you're supposed to love the ex, me I go love him. My mother say my mother put me out. My mother put me out and he said to me, say, you mad? It 2 we asleep out of door since me can't carry you going to your house.
That's true. That's not okay. You can feel all you want to.
But coming on the live, bestie, and he now only accountability if he saying wrong.
Nobody will still love your ex, but we don't want to be with them. So it's okay if you say you love your ex, but you know, say Tikki and Becky at it now, so you should say, yo, that way you say.
Thank you.
Right now. Jaja. That happy break. That must make you not eat all from there.
Oh God, bestie, I read you do the same to bestie like you and me and you. Lad, we are real bestie, you know. And no, me not eat she.
Oh God. Me know them, that would make me eat neither.
But I know me, I'm going to be the first you happen to, and I know me, I'm going to be the last.
So why you see the relationship now? You're still in love?
Bestie, you can't just stop love, so bestie, that's me mood to love him.
So you want it to work, you want it to be fixed?
No, me no want it to be fixed, I me no want nothing to be work. Me just want to jaw myself little because here what happen. Me now go fall fit too deep, and then here what happen, me have to go blood clot. Me have to go blood clot. Alter that boy there. Watch is a Janko you laugh, bestie. Watch a Janko you laugh. All fuck out long time generation matches. Go up at camp must serve and protect. Go up at camp must serve and protect. Blood clot camp. I serve and protect khaki. JDF go up at camp. If serve and protect Jamaica and walk and serve and protect khaki when they send him guy here to go fight war. That one year. We make the hi bestie no talk then signal Paul live.
Alright. Sorry, no, baby.
Hey, bestie no bill, you know.
Just stop no. Boy, love.
Bestie no blood clot bill.